This is a Blacksmith smoked porter.
Yeah, baby.
Brawny complex malt, notes of dark chocolate, dark roast with burnt espresso, 6.5%.
That's good. That's good.
Well, that's good. That's all you want?
Just enough for a festival view, man.
Okay.
Say hi to Steve from Highlander,
Hey,
everybody.
Give us a call, look us up, order online, free delivery.
Woo!
Oh,
What be going down, people of the world? My name is Redbeard, this is Steve from Highlander, and we're coming at you from the North on Tap Beer Festival in Haileybury. About to try their Blacksmith smoked porter. It smells smoked. Like that nice kind of malty, smoky, roasty aroma. Let's give her a shot.
Isn't that good?
I'm not gonna lie, I've had this beer before, and I'm a big fan. It's almost like a stout a little bit, but it's a porter. What's the difference?
It's not as malty as a stout. Like, it's not as thick and rich. It's actually easier drinking. It's more wet across the palate.
Makes sense what he's saying. I need education in this field. Let's do this. Cheers, everybody.
Well done. Can I get you? Sure, one Blacksmith. Isn't that good?
It's delicious.
Just want to let you know that LCBO inspector just came. We're just doing a walk around.
Sure.
Just to let you know.
Thanks, man.
It's so nice and malty and just smooth and nothing.
There you go, sir.
There's nothing offensive about this beer whatsoever. Drink number the last.
That's our Blacksmith porter. Want to try that?
Highlander Brewing.
I'm going to see if I can get you 8.
Your smoked Blacksmith porter. Blacksmith smoked porter. Whatever it's called.
Blacksmith
Rating.
porter.
It's a fucking 10.
Oh, jeez.
That is an astonishingly tasty beer.
Oh, no.
And my camera just came really close to getting wet. Thanks a lot, man.
Yeah, you're welcome, man.
Here,
Thank
yeah.
you. Cheers.
Woo.
Cheers.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks
Peace
for the
out.
vlog. There you go, big guy. Cheers.